Good morning, boys and girls. I want to come on here to explain to you your Charlie and the Chocolate Factory test that you are taking today. And this is the last assignment you have before your spring break. So, as soon as you're done with this, you're done with ELA for a while until we get back from spring break. So, I wanted to just explain to you what you're doing for your test today. There are a few different versions of the test, just depending on which one you get. It might look a little bit different. The first part is vocabulary. So you are either typing in your answer here based on the sentence, you're using the word bank, you're typing in the correct answer, or some of you might have two choices here. And you might have to just delete the one that doesn't belong. So if you have two words here, you read the sentence, you figure out, I don't know, I'm just going to, just to show you an example here, you would delete the word that doesn't belong and leave the one that does belong there. And that's how you would do that. So you're either typing in the answer or just picking from two different words here, whichever version you have for the vocabulary. So then you get to, there's some ordering of events here. So you have to tell me here which event came first in the story. So you're typing in here, and I don't have the answers here. I'm just to show you. You're typing in the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to let you guys know that is not correct. So don't just copy that. I'm just showing you as an example which to, how to type in the events there numbered from 1 to 4. So that's how you would do that. And then the multiple choice. So you have a few slides of multiple choice. And what you would do here is you would read the question. It might tell you a chapter to look in if you need a little bit of help, but you would read the question. And then let's just say I wanted to pick C as my answer here. I would move my circle over to C to pick my answer. Maybe this one I wanted to pick C again. I would move it to C to pick my answer, just like that, just so I know which answer you're picking. So it's a shape, you move it, and you pick your answer that way. For now, they're just kind of off to the side, and that's for all of these multiple choice questions that you have. There's 3 slides of multiple choice questions. Then you get to true or false. So you're reading through these statements, and you are writing either T or F in the text box here. T for true, F for false. So I would just, T here or F, whichever one you're picking, but that's what you would do in the boxes here for your true and false. And then you have two open-ended questions. There's no race on this, so don't worry about race, but I do want you answering these questions in complete sentences, and I want you fully answering them. I mean, like, not just a sentence. You can definitely give me more for these. And, I'm going to grade it based on how much you give me. So I'm not asking for, like, a full paragraph here, but a few sentences at least to answer the question fully. You can give me a few sentences, to describe the Bucket family, Charlie and his family. You can give me a few sentences to explain why Mr. Wonka held his golden ticket contest, which we talked about in our discussion after we finished reading the story in our Zoom session. So think about what we talked about there, go back into the story. Mr. Wonka talks about it in that last chapter, so that will help you there. And that is your test. So I know it's a little different because we've done on like Google Form before or Google Doc, but this one's on a Google slide. So hopefully that explains to you what you should be doing here to take the test. If you have any questions while you're taking it, you can send me an email or comment on the assignment post, and I will help you the best that I can. Good luck, guys.